How to amend GSTR1 invoices using Winmin GST. Open table, make amendments to return of earlier tax periods. Select the required tables in which amendment to be made. The option to enter original invoice number and original invoice date is provided in last two columns of selected sub-tables. Click on OK. Columns relating to amendment will be unhidden and shown at the end of selected table. If you have already filed your return previously by entering wrong details, then you can amend such invoice in current month. Enter the correct details of invoice which you want to amend. Invoice date cannot be later than original invoice date. Original invoice number and original invoice date should be same as the invoice filed previously. In case of amendments, enter all data of the invoice, including both amended and not amended details. That is, if invoice contains supplies at more than one tax rate and supplies at one of the tax rate was wrongly disclosed in earlier return, then while doing amendment, enter corrected values of supplies at both tax rates. If invoice is relating to B2B, but you have entered details in B2C others and filed your return, then you can amend such invoice as follows. Select state of supply to which you want to amend the invoice. Enter tax rate, total taxable value, and tax amounts respectively. Select the original period from the list in which the return was filed. If there are supplies of multiple tax rates in amending state and month, enter all the data, including both amended and not amended tax rates. Enter the B2B invoice in B2B sales to registered persons table as a new invoice. Follow the same procedure if amendment is applicable for other tables. Amendments to an invoice can be made only once. If return is filed making amendments to the invoice of earlier tax period, further modification on such invoice is not allowed. Thank you.